Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Imran and you are watching my YouTube channel Bukhari Tag. So friends, first subscribe my channel for watching more helpful videos. Friends, let's start the video without wasting time. Today I tell you if WhatsApp fingerprint is not working and how to fix it easily. So you can see WhatsApp fingerprint is not working. So guys, first open the settings. You can see appears on screen. Tap on lock screen. Scroll down. You can see here end of the screen fingerprints. So tap on fingerprint. Friends, enter your current pin code. So friends, you can see here fingerprint 1 on the top of screen. Tap on fingerprint and tap on remove option. Remove first fingerprint. Features that use fingerprints will be turned off. So guys, tap on remove. So guys, you can see here fingerprint is removed. Go back and now try open WhatsApp. So guys, you can see WhatsApp open easily. I hope this video helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, then subscribe, like, share my video. Thanks for watching.